करते खिलाड़ी थे। समय और फैमिली का बैकिंग के अभाव के थोड़ा क्रिकेट में पीछे रह गए, लेकिन जब से तुंगा के साथ मिले हैं नेशनल प्लेयर की तरह ही कर रहे, एकेडमी चला रहे। ऑल द बेस्ट। और एक हमारे गेस्ट डॉक्टर महेश सालुंके, जिन्होंने डॉक्टर महेश ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन है, मीरा भाईंदर में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। और मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूँगा डॉक्टर महबूब फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, इनको चलेगा उसको फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट है, आजकल इंडिया के फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट स्टडी में घूमते रहते। तो महेश सालुंके स्पाइन एंड ऑर्थोस्कोपी सर्जन, बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान, हमारे तुंगा के होनहार सर्जन हैं। क्रिकेट के लिए हमेशा टीम के साथ आते हैं और सहयोग करते हैं। स्वागत है सर आपका। डॉक्टर हेमल, प्लीज टेक ओवर।
Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations, Chandra Hospitals. You guys played such wonderful cricket, unbeatable throughout the tournament. Mumra Royals, such a great fight, and I think both the teams should be proud to be reaching to the finals of Tunga Premier League Season 8. Not wasting much time, for the third place we just missed out on to one prize, that is fighter, the striker of the match, that is Dr. Vivek Patil. I would ask somebody from BMA team to collect on his behalf if Dr. Vivek is not there. Dr. Arunesh can, or Dr. Rohit, anybody can come and collect. Raju sir, please come and illustrate the. Thank you very much. For the finals, the striker of the match is Dr. Rahul Gangavane. I would ask Dr. Brijesh to be present and give it to Dr. Rahul. Dr. Rahul is such a wonderful bowler and a very nice human being. Congratulations, Dr. Rahul. And the man of the match is Dr. Deva. I think he, Dr. Prashant. Dr. Prashant. Difficult to judge is Dr. Deva, such a wonderful bowler. Then moving on to the other individual prizes. I would request our chief guest to please come forward and give it to the deserving doctors. The best emerging player is Dr. Daman. You know, this is such a wonderful swing bowler. Yes, that is his style. Best icon is Dr. Vijay Yadav from Mumra Royals. Dr. Vijay Yadav. Fastest 50 is Dr. Ronak Mahajan. Dr. Chetan can collect on his behalf. Akhilesh. The safest catches goes to Dr. Suresh Patil. I'll ask Dr. Mehboob to collect on his behalf. Mehboob can collect on Dr. Suresh's behalf. Best disciplined team, maintaining from day one till today. The best disciplined team. I would ask Narendra please come and give the team award. The best discipline goes to Mumra Royals team. I would ask the captain to please come and collect the They have been so cooperative from day one. You know, the day when we announced the tournament until today. The best captain, definitely, it would be Dr. Afsheer. Who is the captain? Dr. Shakil. Okay, fine. Sorry.
Chandra lost the last year finals, but they made sure that they come back strong and win the trophy. I think Shakil was on the runners, on the non-striker end when they lost it, but he ensured that they take the award this year.
He was there standing on the non-strikers end, and I could see just lost by 2 runs, and this year he has seen to it that he reaches comfortably. The best wicket keeper goes to Dr. Sudeep Bargeje from DMA. He is not there. I would ask Dr. Nandakishore to please collect on his behalf. Saurav, we have 2 prizes for the best fielder. One best fielder goes to we had one category of 40 plus, but we just saw to it that somebody approaching 40 also we should consider them in the 40 plus. So the get goes to Dr. Amar Mate. The best fielder of the tournament goes to Dr. Deva. He has taken such wonderful catches. The catch which won the match for them. The best bowler in the 40 plus category goes to Dr. Aziz from DYP Legends. If somebody from can collect on his behalf. Okay, Dr. Najam will collect. The best bowler, we just see to it that everybody we can give prizes to maximum people. So we are seeing to it that we don't give 2 prizes to 1 person. So the best bowler of the tournament goes to Dr. Narendra Bumkar with 12 wickets. Fantastic bowling by Narendra. प्यार से उसको मामा बुलाते हैं, सबको मामा बनाता है वो. And the best batsman in the 40 plus category goes to Dr. Altaf Sheikh from Mumra Royals. Best batsman Dr. Ronak Mahajan. I'll ask Dr. Chetan to please collect. What a batting Chetan sir. बहुत बढ़िया सर. कितने prizes ले रहे हैं सर? The player of the series. The player of the series in the 40 plus categories. It's the MVP what we calculated and we saw. The 40 plus category goes to Dr. Arunesh Shukla from BMA. This guy has played such wonderful. I would before we go on to the winning trophy, I would like to felicitate the people who have helped us throughout the tournament for the 4 days and the umpires. Raju sir, Raju bhai, please. Satish sir, I would. Altaf sir, please आइए. They have been really, helping us to manage this tournament. सुबह आके शाम को जाना. Commentator, organizer, जो भी आप बोलो, all in one. Digvijay. दिग्विजय भाई, फैंटास्टिक लेग स्पिनर, यू नो, यू कैन, बहुत ही अच्छे लेग स्पिन करते हैं. These guys are aspiring cricketers, so they are Sunny, the local Bumrah. Next is Keyur. Where is Keyur? The scorer Manish and Chandar, the team. These guys have been, the team has been wonderful and managing the scores, players add करना, delete करना, subtract करना, कितना सारा है, बहुत कुछ किया उन्होंने. Thank you so much. The umpires, Sachin sir. Thank you very much. The team had been wonderful. थोड़ा प्लस माइनस सब टीम को लगता है. मैं आउट, बैट्समैन को लगता है आउट नहीं था, बॉलर को लगता है आउट था, बॉलर को लगता है वाइड नहीं था, बैट्समैन को लगता है वाइड था. So that's plus and minus of cricket. Thank you so much, sir. You have been so wonderful. The team has been fantastic. I would request the BMA team to come forward and collect the cash prize from Sharad sir. Arunesh, please come and collect the cash prize. चारों टीम के लिए है, थर्ड के लिए है. थाना सुपर का भी नाम देख लिया, उधर से देख लिया चेतन सर. वो आपको congratulations team BMA, fantastic. The second runners up, this is a new innovation what we did this year. We asked both the semi-finalist team who lost to play for the bronze medal, and the second runners up is team Thane Superbs. I would request sir to please come and ये खुद का मेडल लिया. Hooray! 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 Sir, this individual medals. Sir, individual medals. The runners-up of Tunga Premier League Season 8. I request the captain to come forward.
One by one, you can say the name.
Captain, come forward so that you know we can give individual medals to the players.
करके आप नाम बताइए. नहीं, नाम आप बताइए जरा.
डॉक्टर तौसीफ, पहले तौसीफ सर को ही दे देते हैं. आप
नाम बताइए. डॉक्टर मुकर्रम, डॉक्टर अल्ताफ, डॉक्टर सफवान, डॉक्टर असरार, डॉक्टर फैजल, डॉक्टर सतीश, डॉक्टर राहुल, डॉक्टर आर्यन, डॉक्टर योगेश, Dr. Najam, Dr. Amar, Dr. Amir, Dr. Vijay, Dr. Amir,
I would request the captain to come forward to collect the runners-up trophy. The deserving, fantastic team. Runners-up, yes, sir. Sir, and the cash prize. Round of applause to team Mumra Royals. अरे जाना भाई. आधे लोग बैठ जाएंगे, आधे लोग लेफ्ट में, आधे लोग राइट में. Hooray! 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 Fantastic. अद्भुत. शकील सर, एक आपका मेडल ले लीजिए और सबके नाम बता दीजिए. अरे सर, कैप्टन.
अफसीर भाई, प्रीमियम फास्ट बॉलर अफसीर भाई, और कोर मेंबर शाहिद भाई, ओमकार और ओपनर, और क्लास प्लेयर डॉक्टर कोटे सर, रैंकर अनिकेत सर, और क्लास लेफ्ट ऑफ स्पिनर अजित सर, ओरियो मैन ऑफ द मोमेंट, एंड एट लास्ट आवर टू जेंजीज सिद्धार्थ आणि धवन जेंजी. थैंक यू. अरे नरेन सर, सॉरी नरेन सर, मेंटर, आवर मेंटर नरेन सर.
Thank you so much, Shakil sir. And last but not the least, the winners and the champions are Team Chandra Hospitals. Please do come forward, team.